Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a drop-down menu in Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com, and once you're in this screen, log into your Google account. From the main dashboard, you can select a blank site or one of the pre-made sites right here, or you can choose an existing site that you already made. I'm going to pick this one for this video. So, how do we do this? First, go to the right corner and select on Pages. From here, these are the existing buttons right here on your screen or on your site. We have Home and we have Information. Let's say I want to add a drop-down menu on Information. For me to do that, hover your mouse around here, and when you see this button right here, click on it, and then click on Add Subpage. Now, let's give it a title. Let's say Mission, then click on Done, and let's add another one on Information again, and let's put in Vision. Now, all the subpages would be treated as drop-down menus. So, when you hover your mouse on the information right here, you can see it now has Mission and it now has Vision. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!